save. Mechanical Thunder getting ready to dispense a ton as Hot Block goes one and goal. Mechanical Thunder dispensing a ton of cubes from that goal. Hot Block pushing your guys off of the post, giving your team 5 extra points. You get 35 seconds and you're now switch drivers. Mechanical Thunder getting the last thread off of that post. Hot Block trying to get some more rings into that scoring. Mechanical Thunder's getting ready to score. 20 seconds left, Mechanical Thunder's lining up. 10 seconds left, we're going to see what it is to get apart. Mechanical Thunder spitting out a ton of cubes. They're going to back up the trend and we'll see if they can get that one. Alright, qualification match number 77 here on the Curiosity Field. We have 40301G. Stay at home.